And let's not forget, we have a new product coming up where we substitute QR codes for an advanced form of OCR to access the LuxTag of an object.
LuxTag, synonymous with quality. On the blockchain, making no apologies. LuxTag, keep up the pace. All in one place so you can track and trace.
What is LuxTag and what's the link between LuxTag and NEM?
So LuxTag is a company based in Cyberjaya, Malaysia. We have almost 20 employees, a lot of internationals, and we do a lot of projects that integrate blockchain, not just blockchain, but IoT and AI. We are basically keeping track of things on the blockchain like track and trace or identity or proof of ownership. And we have chosen the NEM blockchain specifically to be our blockchain of choice. We've done that primarily because NEM is easy to build on, but even more important, secure. Blockchains have to be secure. A blockchain that's not secure is not really a blockchain. And NEM has been around for almost 5 years and has lost 0 cents, $0 worth of coins because of smart contract bugs or different problems with the consensus. And so we love the security, we love how easy it is to build on, and we build on the NEM public chain and NEM private chains. So we just love blockchain technology and we love NEM.
So what's the latest about NEM?
Well, obviously the best thing that's happening really soon is the launch of Symbol. That's using the Catapult engine that's been in development for many years. We have a new name, a new network, a new ticker, a new coin, everything's new. And we've hired a lot of new employees for the foundation. So we've taken a lot of time and effort to make sure that we've hired the best of the best to help us with the coming of Symbol and the new network to do it as professional as we can. And so the tech team that I've been working on, we've made a new desktop wallet, a new mobile wallet, a new block explorer. NEM has a new algorithm, POS Plus, which solves problems that no other blockchain has solved. Of course, we have the aggregate transactions, which I can't stop talking about because it allows us to do advanced contracts that nobody's ever been able to do in the way that we do them. It goes on and on, but I guess the near future we'll have a vote over the ticker symbol for what the symbol coin will be called. So I really hope the community is going to chime in and give their input on that.
Exciting. That's nice, but can you please tell us more about how LuxTag adds value to the NEM ecosystem?
Well, definitely. So LuxTag didn't do an ICO. We don't have a coin, so that's not how we add value. We add value by building real projects and real applications on the NEM blockchain. We've launched 2 apps in the iOS and Android store. For example, my watch has been tagged on the NEM blockchain. We have clothes, we have diplomas, we have identity. We've enrolled multiple universities to use NEM technology to do proof of authenticity of diplomas on the blockchain. So we're doing real world projects, and we love, like I said, we love NEM security, and I hope that NEM loves us for the projects, the real projects that we're building.
How does LuxTag use Symbol, a.k.a. NEM, Catapult, and how does Symbol benefit from LuxTag using it?
Definitely. So obviously at LuxTag, we've been building on NIS1 NEM version 1, and we have, for the length of more than a year, been developing on Catapult. And we were the first blockchain company to launch a live Catapult chain in cooperation with the Ministry of Education, where we put diplomas on the blockchain. And one thing that's interesting is we are using both the public and private chains. So the government wants us to use a private chain because it's security and they want the servers in Malaysia. And we obviously always want to use the public chain too. So LuxTag has actually built and open sourced an anchoring service so that the private chain can be anchored to the public chain. So that's one way that we've been able to combine this kind of 2-chain model of private chains and public chains. But we're just super excited to be building on Symbol as soon as it launches, day one. We're going to be launching projects, and we're very excited to use the tech. It's finally here.
Why didn't LuxTag do an ICO?
ICOs are a good way for many projects to raise funds, but at LuxTag, we're so lucky to get a community fund grant that was voted in by the community, and that got us a long way. And in fact, right now we are at early stage revenue. We have some projects giving us some money. Obviously, we need more. We are doing a crowd fund right now. People can contribute in Zim or Bitcoin to help us fundraise, but we like just using the Zim token on NEM or the Symbol token on Symbol. That covers our needs, and so we're quite happy with the way we are right now. And in LuxTag, we don't actually need a utility token or a security token that would be issued through an ICO. We're happy using the public blockchain as it is.
Jeff, what can the community expect from LuxTag in the future?
Well, now that we have early stage revenue of a handful of projects, we have almost 30 to 50,000 users, mainly with our flagship product, eScroll, but we also have other apps that have gone live too. And we are trying to become more scalable. We're really focusing on, instead of doing one project and then another project, really getting our products that are scalable so that we can reuse the same product and sell it over and over again. Now, we also have this new kind of NFC tag that's coming. And this thing's really awesome because it's uncopyable. It has special cryptography in the way it connects to databases. It definitely makes it so that we can start to serve the fast-moving consumer goods market. That's a lot of things that are moving very fast, and we can add these tags to it. And let's not forget, we have a new product coming up where we substitute QR codes for an advanced form of OCR to access the LuxTag of an object. This eases the industrial onboarding process because production no longer needs to use a QR code or print anything. So for example, we can even scan an object and get all the data of it. We can even now LuxTag documents that were made 10, 15, 20 years ago. So we plan on deploying this in the education center throughout this year.
And to sum up, why should NEM community members invest into LuxTag?
Yes, I have 3 good reasons. First of all, when NEM community members invest into LuxTag, they are reinvesting their money back into the ecosystem, helping it to grow. 2, this investment gets them real shares in a real company. And third, something that I'm really happy about, members that donate more than $5,000 actually get a real silver coin. This is 0.999 silver, 1 ounce NEM LuxTag silver coin. So I want to mention how to invest. Our community members can invest with Zim, BTC, or they can send fiat with a wire transfer. And they can learn more by going to invest.luxtag.io.
LuxTag, synonymous with quality. On the blockchain, making no apologies. LuxTag, keep up the pace. All in one place so you can track and trace. LuxTag, purchase